Hello guys, welcome back to HighLevel Techie. Today we are going to talk about how you can create a featured section or a featured label on your products in your online stores. So here, for example, you can see here is a Black Friday sale. So if you're running a Black Friday sale or a special offer, you want to show that specific tagline on top of your products, you can do so very easily now. So in order to apply this label, we are heading to our HighLevel account and click on payments and select products and select the product where you want this label to apply. So for example, now we are going to apply this label in this product. Click on that and we have to include that in the online store, then only it will show on the front end of the store. Once you toggle this off, it will not show on the front end. So this has to be turned on. And once you've done that, you go all the way down to until you find enable product label. When you click on here, this product label will be active. And in content, you can type whatever you want to type in. So in this case, it's Black Friday sale, but this could be a special, super special sale or anything that you want. And then you select the visibility duration. So start and end date. So in this case, it starts from today and ends in a week's time. And you confirm that. That's all you need to do. And you click save and that gets updated in the front end. You can now see how easy it is to add a product label. Just click here, add whatever title you want and set the date and click save. And when you go back to your store, you would have a tag like this. You can see the tag like here and a tag here. But for other products, you don't have the tag. If you want to have a different tag for this product, you can go back again and select the product and type in a different tag. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.